Good evening. After months of speculation, Boeing announced today it will be buying Spirit Aerosystems. The deal comes as the Department of Justice is asking Boeing to plead guilty to criminal fraud in connection with two deadly plane crashes more than 5 years ago.
Just last month, Spirit announced hundreds of layoffs at its plant in Wichita. Tonight, we have team coverage on the latest developments on this major story. First, we'll bring in KAKE's Jocelyn Schifferdecker with a look at the sale itself. Jocelyn.
Well, Deb, Chris, the actual acquisition is still a little down the road, but both companies have been in discussion with each other for months. It says this will only bring good things for air travelers.
In some ways, this is back to the future. Okay, so before 2005, this sign was a Boeing sign.
And in 2025, this sign will once again read Boeing. This is because Boeing is buying back Spirit Aerosystems for $4.7 billion.
It's been a long process.
In February, Boeing came to Spirit about a possible acquisition. Spirit says it wasn't looking to sell, but after a lot of discussion, decided this is the best move.
It offers, the best fiduciary value for our shareholders. And ultimately, that's kind of the responsibility for the board of directors.
Both Boeing and Spirit say this will be a good thing for the flying public.
You think about the best ideas, the best practices, the best engineers, bringing all that together under one roof. You integrate faster, you can move faster.
The acquisition won't take place for about another year. Until then, Spirit says it will be business as usual.
Our team here will continue to make the best quality fuselages for Boeing. We'll continue to focus on quality. We'll continue to focus on safety.
Even when this Spirit sign is replaced by Boeing, Spirit spokesperson Joe Bacino says not much will change on the inside. But the flying public will likely notice a difference.
Production and supply will be managed under a single brand, a single entity, and with that, you can move faster on things like quality improvements.
Spirit says it does not expect this to create any employment changes. Both Boeing and Spirit say by combining the companies, they can now align their workforces and make sure they have the same priorities, incentives, and outcomes.
You've got one leadership set focused on one problem set, and now you've got customer supplier under one organization.
This acquisition does come after Spirit's been facing scrutiny for months over problems with its fuselages for Boeing 737 MAX. We asked Boeing if there was any specific reason it approached Spirit with this deal, but haven't heard back.